So hello guys, our journey has started now. I will show you everyone. I cannot show you our outfit. I will show you it on airport and I will tell you where we are going in airport with my boarding pass. Okay? So here is our Tita Vidhi and Ivan.
Say
hi
hi.
Ivan. Say hi to everyone. Hi.
Hi.
With goggles and all, very
Yes.
classy.
Because we're going out of the country.
Yeah.
We need to look good, right?
Yeah,
Not just
definitely.
jogging pants and t-shirt all the time.
Yeah. And here is our dog Milan with goggles.
Very handsome.
For you.
For me, only for my eyes.
Yeah.
Hachu.
Our check-in and immigration is done. Now we are heading to our gate. Because of this gentleman, we got express entry. Right, Ivan?
Very special. He's very special.
Benefits of having baby. Only benefit.
We are cutting all the lines.
Yeah, only benefit of having.
So
No, not right now.
because of benefits.
I will take benefits from this gentleman. So guys, we are waiting for our plane and we are very hungry, so we bought this sandwich. I don't know how does it taste. Let's try it. Sir, baby Ivan. Hi Ivan. Hi. Our baby Ivan, guys. Hi. Look at our baby Ivan and mummy Lay. Sleeping. Sleeping peacefully. Very peacefully. Guys, we have arrived in Vietnam. Now we will stay here for 4 to 5 hours. 5 hours, no? 5 hours. Then we'll leave for our destination. I will tell you later. I think I have already said in my previous video. But let's see if anyone hasn't noticed it. Our baby Ivan. Ivan, did you sleep well in flight? It was 5-hour flight.
Yes.
Did you sleep well? Hi Ivan. He is so tired now. He needs some
hungry.
rest. Yeah, probably hungry.
Let's go and change his clothes.
So guys, here we go. We are resting now and waiting for our flight. And our flight is after 2 or 3 hours, so we will eat something here. Let's see what we can find here because we are pure vegetarian and it's very hard to find pure vegetarian thing in Vietnam. So let's see. Bye bye. So guys, here is our order. We ordered 4 meals from Burger King.
Yes, Burger King.
Yeah, 4 meals from Burger King. It was very hard to find vegetarian meal because here you can find only non-veg. So finally we found it and now we will eat it because we were very hungry, so we had to buy this and it cost us $60 for everything. So 6,000 rupees, almost 6,000 rupees for this. Can you believe? Look at our baby Ivan.
Burger look like shit.
Show me. Oh my god. I would never eat this burger if I was in India, but unfortunately I am not.
Oi, where you guys are going?
Now we are going to our boarding gate.
Huh?
We had our, I cannot
Brunch.
say lunch. Yeah, brunch. We had our brunch and we waste so many food. Not waste.
We will eat
We took away
for dinner.
for dinner. We pack our burgers and put it in polythene bag and then we'll eat it when we reach in our hotel. Everyone
okay.
waste one item. Auntie waste ice cream. I waste
And what about you? What did you waste?
Coke.
Chala, let's go.
And this little gentleman did not waste anything. Right?
He only ate bongra.
Yeah. He is a very good boy.
Chalo.
So guys, now we are waiting. Hi Ivan. Are you tired now, Ivan? Oh ho ho ho. Look at his energy after eating bhungra. 10 રૂપિયાના ભૂંગરાની એનર્જી જો ને આ લોકોએ 6000 નો બર્ગર ખાધો ને એની એનર્જી જો.
He is talking to Manisa Masi.
Yeah, he is talking to Manisa Masi. That's why he is shouting. Ivan, stop shouting. Hi Ivan.
Hi.
Ivan, say hi to everyone. Where are you going? Where are you going? Do you know? Do you know anything? Oh, you just know boo 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 boo. Hello guys, I told you that I will reveal that where I am going for trip with Elaine, Vidhi, Milan and Ivan. I don't know if you guys have noticed in my previous video that I already revealed by mistake. I am still regretting it. I don't know if you guys notice or not because I didn't get any time to see any comments or anything else. But today I am telling you that I am going to Bali. Yay! My dream destination. Finally. Finally I'm going Bali. I know he didn't bring me, but girl empowerment. Yeah, I am going Bali with my own money, with my own savings. Yeah, I have that much of savings. Not that much. We choose cheap package. So I can visit Bali, but not in premium package. So Heath will bring me here. Not here. I am in Vietnam right now. But Heath will bring me Bali again, and we will visit hi-fi resorts and very expensive resorts, right? Elaine will also come with me.
If you will pay for my ticket.
No, you pay for my ticket.
If it's free, right? I will go. If it's not free, then no, thank you.
Nothing is free. Nothing is free.
Let's visit different country. If you're not gonna make it free for me,
Yeah.
let's go visit different country.
Okay, so let's just enjoy this trip. Then we will talk again about another trip after 2 months. We will definitely plan after 2 months, right?
After 2 months.
Because Elaine is very
Busy.
not busy. You are very rakhdel. I don't know what do you call it, rakhdel? Libutera. Yeah, Elaine is very libutera and he is turning me libutera.
No, that's not true.
Let's see. I will show you Bali and let's see if we like our room or not because it's very cheap package, guys. And this guy is more libutera than Elaine. Hi Ivan. Hi. What are you doing? So guys, let's see. I will give you my room tour and my villa tour once we reach there, and stay updated. Bye bye. Here comes our dog Milan. Where did you go?
I went to do my morning routine.
After eating brunch,
Yes.
making some space.
Morning routine is most important. You have to release your body.
Hello. I cannot hear anything what you guys are talking about.
About his morning routine. Where did he go then?
30 minutes.
30 minutes.
She know exactly
Yeah.
what do I do.
And what about your baby? When will he?
Learn to do morning routine.
No,
So you don't have to change, keep on changing.
I am afraid that he will do it in plane. in our flight. Baby Ivan.
It's okay. Janufo is there to clean.
Yeah.
Yeah, I am there to clean. Definitely, I will help. But I will need help from Milan.
Okay.
No.
Not help.
No.
You do it alone.
Why? It's not
Because-
your baby. It's not your baby.
Are you not the Lola?
Are you not his daddy?
Are you not the Tita?
I am. That's why I need your help.
Okay, I will help you.
Okay.
Why-
What
why?
about mommy Elaine? I am doing it regularly.
No,
You
I
can-
will sleep. I
Yeah.
will sleep. It's Tita's duty now.
And daddy Milan.
In Daddy Milan's duty.
Ivan. Do your thing. Ivan.
That's it.
Hi, Ivan.
He's about to take off.
He is busy in playing.
Time, I think.
Look at him. Not tired at all.